subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched its new affordable 5G smartphone under A series in the US called Galaxy A13. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A13 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A13 5G supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 5MP selfie camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on One UI skin on top, and it comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 76.5 by 8.8mm. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Samsung Galaxy A13 5G has been priced in the US at $249.99 and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from December 3rd. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A13 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.